Affiliate marketing is buzzing at the moment, and if you're not on this wagon, then you're missing a lot because you can make a lot of passive income while doing affiliate marketing. And I'll be showing you a platform we're using to make money with affiliate marketing, and this platform is simply called Temu. Temu is a very big e-commerce website that's blowing at the moment, and if you want to make money with Temu, you simply use the affiliate marketing route. So what you do is just come on Temu and type Temu. Go on Google and type Temu affiliate program. Click on it. When you click on it, it's going to bring you here. What we're trying to do is we're trying to sign up as an affiliate here. So you come here, say join affiliate and get $2. All right. So it means that when we join an affiliate, we'll make money, we'll make $2. If you are in Nigeria, you make about 3,000 naira. Okay. That will be deposited in your account. So just scroll down and click on start withdrawing here. When you click on here or click on join now, it's going to tell you to sign up and sign up using your email. So you just sign up your Gmail or whatever email you're using, and then you automatically be taken to your dashboard. So when you click on start withdrawing or click on join now, simply be able to share links from a product and make money. So instead of doing drop shipping, you can simply run an affiliate marketing business where people just go on your website, go on your social media handle, go on YouTube and make a purchase, and then you get a commission. So I'm not going to join in here because I already have two accounts already. I don't want to create a third one. Now let's go on. Let me show you the account I have. This is it. After signing up with Temu, this is how it looks like. This is your dashboard. I'm going to take you through it in a bit. The first thing you see here is affiliate. You click on it. It's going to take you to the home where you see all of these things happen, tell you how much you can earn, they usually give you different tasks to do, different things to do, so you get commission or you get your affiliate commission from them. So they're telling you different things you can do. Referrals can get about 100,000 coupon. So this is coupon, not cash. Okay. However, whatever you make, you can withdraw here. So this here is your dashboard. Your wallet. So whatever money you make here, you can withdraw. So this is one of my newest accounts. I have another one that has earnings, but that one is in dollar. I don't want to open that one because I'm not on, my VPN is not on at the moment. But here you can easily withdraw your earnings. So this is where you see all of your money, everything that happens here. So what you need to do now is just watch this video to the end. I'm going to show you how to use this platform so that you don't make any mistake. The process is simple and it's here. You can share the link, get referrals, and earn commissions. As simple as that. You can share a link or you can stack up your link and share one link. I'll show you how all of that work in a bit. Next thing I want to show you is the influencer. When you click on influencer, it brings you here. Now, for you to be able to make this type of credit, get this type of reward per month, this is it. You make this kind of money per month. You need to authorize to be able to unlock this. When you click on authorize, it takes you here, meaning you have to sign up on. You have to authorize Temu on any of this platform, either on TikTok, on YouTube, on Instagram. What this means is that you're authorizing Temu to post on your platform. You're authorizing Temu to use your platform or use you as an influencer. Now, whichever you pick here can fly. However, your money, the money you make is dependent on your crowd. You see, credit amount depends on your account data. Basically, I try to tell you, not just the followers, but what kind of engagement you have. So if you go buy followers and your followers are a lot, but you don't have engagement, you will not make a lot of money. So you're saying you can earn up to 1,139,000 naira. Earn up to does not mean it's certain. If you have very few, your data is not as strong, or your account is not strong, you'll not make a lot of money from here. So please take note of that. All right, so let's close that. That's for the influencer. There's a lot of benefits. You can make a whole lot of money, and you see it is per month. They pay you per month. All right. Now that's not what I want us to look at. Let's come on here before we look at the hot items. You could, congrats, I received this. I know. Thank you very much for giving me that. Okay. Now you could asking me to share gifts and all of this. I don't want to do that. So this is what you need to see. Up to 23,000 naira per invited affiliates. So if I invite a person, I make 20,000. If I invite another person, and that person, that person, and that person, all right, end up to 20,000. Invite a new affiliate with over 100 followers on this, 1,000 followers. So if I can invite somebody who has 1,000 followers, make 20,000 naira. If I can invite a new affiliate who has earned commission and make 3,000 naira, okay, and all of this. So this is, they have different packages. Just take your time and go through it. All right. But this is not where I want to show you. This is what I want to see, which is called hot items. Now, for hot items, what this simply is or does is it shows you items that you can simply promote. So this is how it works. So let's say, for example, I want to promote. Let's say I want to promote car jack. Let's say car jack. I'm looking for a product like this. Click enter. Then show me several car jack. So I pick this one, assuming this is what I want to promote. But then I want to see this. This is the price, 335,000 naira. This is my commission, 106,000 naira. This is how I want you to think. Think commissions that are high. Don't promote products that don't have high commission. You check this one out. This 2 box, 5 ton. This is a car jack also. My commission is 36,000 naira. What I do is I simply, if I want to look at the product, I can click on it, have a view on the product, play the video. If I want all of that, I can, just to have a feel, all right, and see people's review. All right, it arrived on time. Products are same as displayed. All of that. All right, you can simply come on here, right? Look at the product, make sure you're satisfied. Then come here, click on this sign here, click on copy, or go back. All right, go back to the product. This is it. Click on share. You click on share, it's going to show you this sign, meaning copy link. Right. So this is also show copy deep link. This is if you want to post this link on an app. You copy this link, right, and you go on another browser. Let's go on that browser and paste that link. You have to save this link. This is the link that people would use whenever they want to make a sale. I mean, when they make a purchase. So I don't want to sign in. Okay, I don't want to sign in. So let's go check another. All right, here. Let me just paste this here, paste it here, and paste. So this is the product. You see, product here. So I can decide. So however I want to buy this. Now it's in my front now to make it. I can add it to cart because I already have some items that's already added to cart. I can add it to cart. Then when I make a purchase, this my account would get a commission of 106,000 naira. This is what I do sometimes when I want to buy things. I come on my affiliate dashboard, copy the link of the item. I go make a purchase here as if I'm somebody else, so that I get the item and I also get paid the commission. It's as if for items I buy, I still make money here. All right, that's a smart thing to do. So you come here, you copy a link from here of what you want to buy. You go make a purchase using that link. Whenever you make a sale, you also get commission. So they are paying you commission for the item itself. All right. So I hope you understand that smart move. So basically, that's how to do it. Just look for any product at all. They're here. You click on show more, can keep going. You know, it's endless. I come on here and type in piano or type in piano. You will see you have pianos here. And there are lots of them here. There's this one for 37,000 naira. This is commission. So I make sure you look for you promote products have high commission. This is a step-by-step way in which you can open affiliate accounts using Temu. Although there's some things you should be careful not to do when you use any affiliate website. One of them is do not spam. What is spamming? Spamming is take all of this link and you just go on groups and you keep posting these links. All right, that's spamming. Don't do that. You do that, they would notice it. It will trigger from their end and they will kick you out. And when they kick you out, you can't sign up again. There's something I want to show you. It's called convert link. This link here. This is what this link does. So for example, let's say I copy this link. Copy that link here. What I do is if I click on convert link, it means that I can convert standard links into affiliate links and commission. So I can have this pasted here. Okay, and let me go back. Say I copy this one. All right. So what we see here is that link we pasted was waiting for us. Paste another one. Notice the one I copied before. Okay. Let's go and look for another one. We'll get like 3 different links. Look for another link. This one. So copy. All right. Close. Come up here. It yeah, okay, let's look for one more, look for one more product. Let me see. Although I don't like this because commission is small, but let's see. This is 5,000. Okay, let's just copy the link. All right, copy the link. Don't worry, in another video I'm going to show you how to really market your affiliate links from Temu to make sure you make way more money. I come on here, come to convert link. All right, because I went back, I've lost those links. Okay, so let's just look for, just want to show you how to copy. Where is it? All right, come here, paste, and come back here for something else to put. Okay, like this bag. The bag looks nice. Copy. So you can actually use this to operate a dropshipping business. All right, just create these things on your site, right, and then you can dropship from Temu. I'm going to make a video on that. Let me in the comment section. I'll make that video. So paste. So this is get a link. If I click on get a link, this is not a valuable page. No, that's not what it should show us. Copy the link to share. Okay, so the reason I'm having this problem is okay. The reason I'm having this problem is this is a new Temu, a new affiliate account, not the old one I mean, so that's why I'm having this issue. But then what this does is when you operate your Temu site for some time, you'll be able to enter the link here and convert them. Okay, let me just put in one and see. This is already your trackable links. Okay, so what it means is that you need to use this account for some time. Okay, you don't even need to go that route. The route you can go is, let's say you have content somewhere, maybe on Instagram, maybe you have content on skincare, right? And that's what you talk about. You can come on here, type in skincare and get anything here, at least sell something. The good thing of you being an influencer, the good thing of you creating content is to get people to trust you and get people to make purchases when you refer those purchases. So you can have any of these products here, share it, see the link, all right, copy the link and put it on your somewhere, either on your bio, either on the description of your video or your content, either anywhere you can put it there, and then watch how the sales come in. So make sure your contents are good. If your content is good, you can sell anything that's in the niche of whatever you're doing. There's no need to have content where you don't make money. Now, we usually used to use Amazon Associates, but Amazon Associates is a bit difficult to get in. When you are in, sometimes they would either kick you out after some months of not selling. But in our experience with Temu, you don't have that issue at all. Temu will not kick you out. Temu is glad for you to be on board. You're starting out new. Amazon has been a giant for a very long time. Temu is tolerant, so they would hang in there with you. All you need to do is just come on Temu, sign, or first and go back and watch the video again. Follow the step-by-step process I showed in the video on how to get signed on Temu. Regardless of where you are, regardless of your country, you can sign up on Temu affiliate and make money. All you do is simply go on Google, type on Temu affiliate program, click on the first link that shows, and then sign up with your Gmail, whatever email you have, and then you'll be brought here, which is your dashboard. If I click on here, you see how much money has been made with this account, and you have other tasks. They usually bring in different tasks from time to time. Also, they have a support system here. You need to support, just click there. And they also have rules. These rules, I'm going to click on it, is what you should please read. All right, Temu, they have the policy, more of the policy. Please enter the program. You must be an individual resident of Nigeria, not just Nigeria, anywhere you are, depending on your VPN. At least more than 18 years old, that are available in designated countries or region. Your region or country may disqualify you from the program. Program is when prohibited and is tax sensitive. Enrollments, we may accept or reject your application to join at their discretion. The program, or just find time to read these things. And when you're done reading them, just go click accept. But please make sure you read it. I don't want it to be too long. So I'm going to make another video where I'll explain the terms and conditions properly so that you know what you're up against. But this is a very good step. Please, you can check this out to see how many countries Temu currently operates. They operate in several countries. They operate in Armenia, operate in Australia, operate in Austria, they operate in Azerbaijan, if I pronounce that correctly, operate in Algeria, operate in Andorra, operate in Bahrain, operate in Belgium, and probably everywhere. If you go on United States, United Kingdom, they are there. United States, they are there. Right? United States, you $10 USD, it's about 15,000 naira. You could make a 5-20% commission. Okay, then Algeria, so they have literally everywhere. It's just for you to be able to, for a good way to start marketing them. The reason why it's you jump on now is a lot of folks at the moment are getting used to Temu. Temu is a new kid in block. So in the new kid in the block, when you start promoting their links, people click on the link and it lands them on Temu. They see it as a friendly space and they are willing to make purchases. All right. So that's the beautiful thing. And Temu does the marketing for you, trust me. So the tendency for you to make a sale is very high because Temu marketing is awesome. They give a lot of free things, a lot of free coupon. People tend to want to buy because of those free coupons that they free off. And Temu will tell you, before you cash out, make sure you spend up to a certain amount of money before you cash out. So that makes it a bit more juicy. People tend to want to take advantage of the free things, free coupons, and then the possibility of you making a commission is high. That is why whatever niche you are in, please make sure you sell things that will give you high commission. Don't sell little things that will give you very small commission like $10, $5, maybe 4,000 naira, 5,000. No, sell or promote things that will give you really good money. I hope this was helpful. If you want me to make more videos on Temu, how you can market your links and how you can make good money with Temu affiliate marketing, please let me know. This is what we do. Cashflow Crew on Flow 2. So feel free to share this video with anybody you think is help. Tell in the comment section if you have any questions. If you're finding it difficult to understand it or to sign up, please watch the video again and again and again. And if you're still having problem, you can feel free to drop your question in the comments and we'll answer you as soon as we can, or we'll make a video out of your question. And subscribe so that you see every video we drop in the future how to make money. I'm going to show you how we've been doing this, how we've been able to make money, with affiliate marketing. And if you're really serious about drop shipping, you want to use affiliate marketing to start your drop shipping, we have a drop shipping course. Will pop in your screen now. Please watch the video and watch other videos regarding drop shipping to see exactly how you can make lots of money operating this business. Thank you again for watching the video.